My dear students, today I came with a topic that is about brackets, in which we are going to solve the brackets one by one, and in which we are going to solve some questions of exercise 8C of Countdown book. Let's start. Look at this bracket. This is the first bracket. It is called vinculum. Vinculum is a bar above. Then second bracket, that is parenthesis. This is the parenthesis. This is the inside bracket. It is also called inside bracket, which is inside the question. Now this is braces. That is the third bracket, which is also called middle bracket. Now the last one, that is called brackets. Now brackets are outermost brackets, and this is the fourth bracket. So these are the names of the brackets. Learn them by heart because they will come in the form of MCQs in your paper as well. Now let's start the questions in which these brackets are used. This is our first question, that is 5x minus, this is braces, then 3x plus parenthesis 4x minus 2x, then parenthesis, and then braces. Now first of all, we are going to solve here our first bracket, that is parenthesis, that is in red color. Now these 4x and 2x are called terms. Separately we call them terms, and when they will be joined with plus, minus, multiply or divide sign, then they are called algebraic expressions. Now here I am also going to tell you about the concept of like terms and unlike terms. Here they both are called like terms because the variable is same. Although the coefficients are different, but the variable is same. Variable is x and coefficients are 4 and 2. Now here, students, remember the rules of integers. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Put the sign of the bigger number, then you will be exact. Here we are also going to use the rules of integers. Now first of all, here we are going to solve this bracket, that is parenthesis. Now 4x minus 2x. We will write x one times, and 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2x. Now the bracket is open, that is parenthesis. Now 3x plus 2x, that is equal to 5x. Now here this bracket, that is called braces, that is also removed. Now 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Now why we have not written here x? Because when we are going to multiply any number, any alphabet, anything with 0, then that thing will become 0. Now this is the next question, that is 8a minus bracket 4a minus bracket 3a plus 5a. As you can see that the terms 3a and 5a are in the parentheses and they are in red color. Now first we are going to solve here 5 and 3. This is equals to 8. Now 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8, and we will write a as it is. Now look at the coefficients. This is 4 and this is minus 8. Now we will subtract 4 from 8, that is equal to 4, and we will put the sign of the bigger number with the term. Now that is that the bigger number is 8, and with bigger number we have minus sign, so we will put here minus. Now minus and minus, that is equal to plus. Now this bracket is opened. Now it becomes 8a plus 4a, we are going to add the coefficients. Now 8 plus 4, that is equal to 12. Now students, look at here in this question, we also have vinculum. Remember, this is also known as bar bracket. It is the first bracket and it is the bar above. Now it is also considered as bracket. Now look at this. When we are going to remove the vinculum, we have a sign that is minus outside the bracket. So the sign inside the brackets will be changed. Here we have minus sign. When the vinculum will be removed, this minus will be minus b. That is, that will be converted into plus. Now it will become b minus a plus b. Now look at the variables or like terms. Now the like terms are b and b. Now here the coefficient with this b is 1, and with this b we also have 1 as coefficient. So 1b and 1b, that is equal to 2b. 2b minus a. Now here we have 2 outside the bracket. So we are going to multiply this 2 with the terms inside the bracket. Now 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 4. And when we will multiply this 2 with this 1, then it will become minus 2a. Look at the signs. The signs remains same. Here students, if you can see here, we have minus sign and we have minus sign inside the bracket as well. Now we are going to solve this bracket, then we are going to change this sign. Now minus and minus, that will be converted into plus. Now 2 and 1, that is equal to 3a, because a and 2a are like terms, so we are going to add their coefficients. 3a minus 4b. Now this 3, which is in black color, that is outside the braces, and it will be multiplied with both the terms inside the bracket. When this 3 will be multiplied with this 3, it will become 3 into 3, that is equal to 9a. And when this 3, which is outside the bracket, will be multiplied with this 4, then it will become 4 into 3, that is equal to 12b. Now let's proceed towards the other question. Look at this question. Here we also have the bar bracket, or you can say this is called vinculum. Now the terms which are under the vinculum are red in color. Now before vinculum we have minus sign, so the sign inside the vinculum will be changed in next step. Now it will become plus. All the other terms remained as it is. If you can see this only, then its sign is changed. I have changed the color of this sign as well for you. Now look at the like terms b and b, 5b, 7b. These are called like terms. Now the coefficients will be added. 7, when 7 will be added with 5, it will become 12b. Now we are going to write it as 12b minus 6a. Remaining will be same. After that, we are going to open the parenthesis. Now here we have minus sign. So the sign inside the bracket will be changed. It will become plus. As you can see, students, here, the sign which is in red color, that is changed. Now, if we are going to check the like terms in the next step, that is fourth step, then like terms are 4a and plus 6a. Now, both the terms are having plus sign, so we are going to add them because same signs add an key. Now 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10a minus 12b. Now it's time to remove braces. Now here before the braces we have minus sign. So the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Minus and minus, that will be converted into plus, and the bracket will be removed. We cannot add 10 and 12, or we cannot subtract 10 and 12 because they are not like terms, they are unlike terms. Now after that, in brackets we are going to add the like terms. The like terms are b and b. Here with this b we have 3 as coefficient, and with this b we have 12 as coefficient. Now we are going to add 12 with 3. It will become 15b minus 10a. Now we are going to remove the bracket. Now we have minus sign outside the bracket, so the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Now it's all about changing of the signs after the bracket or before the bracket. If we have minus sign, then the sign inside the brackets will be changed. Now if you can see here, we have minus sign, so minus will be remained as it is, then it is 15b, and only this sign will be changed, which is converted into red color. Minus and minus, that is equal to plus 10a. Now 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15a minus 15b. So this is the answer. Only this 5a will be added into 10a. Now the next question, in which we have again vinculum, that is a minus bracket b minus c plus a minus bracket b minus bracket c minus a minus a, and then minus b. Same steps will be followed one by one. First of all, we are going to remove vinculum, then we are going to remove parentheses, then we are going to remove braces, and after that we are going to remove brackets. And same rules of integers will be followed. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Put the sign of the bigger number, then you will be exact. And listen students, here brackets are used, so I also told you about like and unlike terms. Now here only the like terms will be added or subtracted. No unlike term can be added and subtracted. Now let's come towards the first step. Here we have a minus bracket b minus c plus a minus again this bracket b minus bracket c minus a minus a. Now the vinculum will be removed, so the sign before the vinculum is minus, so the sign inside the vinculum will be changed, that will be converted into plus. Now the like terms are 1a and 1a. With a, we do not have any coefficient. Remember student, whenever we do not have any coefficient, then the coefficient is 1. Now here 1a and 1a, as these signs are same, so 1a and 1a, that is equal to 2a. Now here we have minus sign outside the bracket. So when we are going to remove parentheses, the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Look at their student here, minus green, the minus green sign will be converted into plus orange sign, and then plus sign that is in black color will be converted into red minus sign. Now in next step, if you can look here, then here b, with b we have 1 as coefficient, and here with this b we have minus 1 as coefficient, so they will be subtracted. 1b minus 1b that is equal to 0b, or you can cancel them in next step, or if you want to cancel them here in this step, then it will be okay as well. I have removed it in next step to keep you understand about this. Okay, now here this is minus c, then plus 2a, which is in red color. This is remaining. Again, outside the bracket we have minus sign, so the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Now this minus and minus will be converted into plus, then minus and plus will be converted into minus. And now here, if you can see in this bracket, we have minus c and plus c. Now they both will be cancelled out. Now here we have b plus a minus 2a, and this bracket is square bracket, and then when we are going to open it, then again we have minus sign outside the bracket, so the sign inside the bracket will be changed. This will be converted, this plus a will be converted into minus a, this minus 2a will be converted into plus 2a, and then a and a will be cancelled, and answer is plus 2a minus b. So students, this is all about brackets. In our next lecture, I am going to solve the other questions of exercise 8c. Thanks for watching.